Hi, this is Ripono Chain Chapul from WP and today we will know about post formats in our WordPress theme or in WordPress. So if I go on post and if I edit this post here, you will not see any kind of audio or video post type or a gallery things to add in this post. But in our theme, the theme we are developing. So in here we need as you can see here, this is a standard blog post. This is a slider blog post and it is having some sliders. And this post is having some video here and this post is having an audio. But in our post formats in here, as you can see, in post we have summary, we have categories, we have tags, we have the featured image here, and we have some excerpt and discussions, but we don't have any kind of options to select the what kind of post format it is. Is it audio or is it video or is it a slider? What it will be. So obviously there the format, the slider that is not here in the WordPress itself. We need to make that. So by default in WordPress we are having some post format, so we'll have a look on that. So for having a look on that, we need to know about add theme support. As you can see, it is suggested because I have visited it so many times. So I'll click on here, add theme support, and in here you guys have known that I have already talked about title tag and the custom logo. You have know about that. But today we'll have a look on post format. So we'll search it in post formats, then have a look what we are having here. So as you can see here, add theme support post format, then inside the array we can have aside, then the gallery, and we will have more like audio, video and some code. And if I scroll down a bit more here, as you can see, then you can see here all the things that we need. So add theme support post format, and then the array we need to pass here, and in the array we are having a variables here, and inside the variables we have declared the array. So we are having aside, image, then gallery, video, audio, link, then the code, then the status. So we'll copy this all two lines, we'll copy this and paste it in our here. Okay, and obviously we need to write a comment that post format. Okay, and in post format we are having a side, image, gallery, video, audio, link, code and status. Okay, so this way we can support our post format. Now we will have a look on how this is working here. So if I give a refresh here now, and in here as you can see here, aside, audio, gallery, image, link, code, standard, status and video. And if I remove it, these two lines from here, and give a refresh here, in here you will not see anything like that. Okay, and if I comment it out again and give a refresh, then you will see the post format here is standard. Standard is always standard, the default one is standard, and we can select here audio, but we need to insert the audio here. For that we will make a field in our next video. We can insert an gallery. Okay, we can insert a link. So it's post format as you can see. So thank you very much. We will say in our next video that how we can make a audio or like this slider or like this video one. So we'll have a look in our next episode. So thank you very much.